Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Virag Automation. Today we are going to learn how to protect my motor from heavy faulty current and the circuit breaker setting, how to choose by using this Microsoft Excel tool. In this Excel tool I will teach you how to set the circuit breaker setting, how to select a fuse, how to select the other parameter which is protect my motor from the heavy faulty current. Okay, I'm going to my Excel tool. In this tool you can see three tables is there. First table is motor details. In this table I will fill all the motor detail and get the calculation in this table. And this table is suggested to me ki which type of motor protection I have to choose. And in second table you check it instant short circuit tripping setting. I will put here a setting, and then the tripping setting of circuit breaker is find okay or not, they suggested by this table. And at the end this table they suggested the circuit fuse only, the selection of the circuit fuse they suggested on the basis of the wire size, on the basis of my tripping setting and the total length of the cable. Okay, I'm starting from this motor detail. In this motor detail I am start putting the motor rating is 10 kilowatt I'm putting here. And then the three phase, this motor is three phase motor is there, so that's why the 415 volt I'm filling the detail here. Supply frequency is 50 hertz. 4 pole motor is there. Motor speed, in the 4 pole motor speed is 1500 rpm. And the low rotor motor class I am choosing B only. And then the motor demand factor I am choosing here 1. Motor service factor is I am choosing 2 only. And the motor operating temperature is 50 ambient temperature I am using. And the motor is start, there is a number of starter is available: dual starter, star delta, auto transformer, soft starter, frequency converter. I am choosing dual starter here. And the starting power factor is 0.8 and the running power factor is 0.8. Okay, no issue. And the I'm choosing 95% is the motor load efficiency. And after putting all this information you get it the calculation part. In this calculation part the motor consumption load is 9.5 kilowatt, and the motor starting current is taking 165 amperes, and the motor full load current is 16.52 amperes. Synchronous speed is 1500 rpm, and the slip is 0%, and the low rotor current is 34.77 amperes. And this table also suggested the motor protection, which motor protection we required for the same input data we fill it here na. So they suggested on the basis of my detail, they suggested this type of motor protection I can use. And the maximum size of overload protection is 19 ampere, because my full load current is 16 ampere, the 120%. Okay, no issue. Standard fuse, then the 50 amperes fuse they suggested. On delay fuse they are suggested 30 28.91 ampere. And then instant tripping circuit breaker is 132 kiloamps. And inverse time circuit breaker maximum is 41 amperes they suggested the setting. And the total rating of this one. And this is the calculation part is coming after calculating the input data. Maybe this you can choose the nearby, because the circuit breaker and this fuse all they are coming in standard only. If my current is 19 ampere, 49 ampere is there, so you can choose the fuse nearest standard rating, like that is 50 ampere is available or not, 60 ampere available or not, like that you can choose. If nearest is not available, you can choose next next step higher standard you can choose here only. And then the instant circuit breaker tripping setting here 440 volt is there. And then the line can do 30 ampere. Instant short circuit tripping setting is 100 amperes, but here is coming 32. I'm choosing here 133. And the accuracy is maybe 20%. I'm choosing 80% accuracy is no issue. And then the cable size is maybe 3 core 10. Okay, no issue. I'm choosing the same copper type. Okay, actual length of the cable length is maybe 50 meter. Then the maximum length of the cable for the tripping setting is 260 ampere meters, and tripping setting circuit breaker is okay. If I'm choosing different type of circuit, different setting like that, I'm choosing 200, then the cable size is different, and I'm choosing 45, then they are not saying not applicable. So uh, all the whatever the standard data, I have put it in this Excel sheet, and they are comparing with your input values. Whenever I'm putting any input value, they compare with the standard value, and then the result you can see in front of him in the table. Then the selection of fuse, here you can choose the this one, uh, cable size, like that, 70 ampere, and then mm square, 70 square is there. Then you can choose the maximum is 400 amps. If I'm using 55, then they are suggested the fuse size is 325 amperes. Like I'm choosing here 10 core, 10 core I'm choosing here, so he suggested 50 amperes. And then the same is, you can see their standard fuse, they are showing 49.56 on the basis of calculation, and on the basis of standard they are suggested 50 amps. Okay, hope you understand how to select the fuse and how to select the circuit breaker tripping setting. uh, okay, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much.